Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's a little shaky here. Hopefully everything is still intact. I imagine it is. It is a hot sauce bottle kit. And I'll show you what we get in here. Let me just kind of open it up and I'll show you as I open it here. So here we go. So we have styrofoam here. Here we have a bunch of labels, so we can label them in different shapes and sizes here. And then we have these are the caps that'll go over it. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We'll just do a whole set here. We have a screw cap, we have this. Okay, so this is what the bottles look like, and it looks like we have a dozen of them in here. I'm just gonna get out one of each thing so I can explain it all and give it a try. Okay, so you see there's a whole set of them in here, but let's go ahead and put that back here. Okay, so we have our bottle, which is a nice size bottle, so you can fill that up with all your hot sauce stuff. Then we have a little pouring spout that we can stick into it. See, so once we fill it up with our hot sauce, we put our pouring spout in there, that'll let you pour it. And then we can put our screw cap on there. Oh, I don't think I pushed that other thing down all the way, but there we go. So, oh, and it comes with a funnel. So this one here, so this is a funnel to fill it. So just to make it easier to fill. So we'll go back into the beginning again. So we'll take this off. And so I can fill it with the funnel there. It even has, oh, that's a marker. Okay, so we can use our funnel, put that in there, pour our hot sauce in, fill up our bottle. Then once we get that in there, we'll put our little pouring cap on. Like that. So now we have our pouring cap on. We'll put on our screw cap, which is right here. So we'll screw that on, and then we'll put on our heat shrink cap here. So we put that on there, and then with a hair dryer, we can glue it on there. And then we will go and put a sticker on. So if I was to use this sticker here, this one here looks like Batman kind of, but I put that one right across there. And then I'm even given a little marker so I can go ahead and say hot. So you can just label it whatever. Hot Neil, this is called the Hot Neil sauce. So there we go, so we have our whole kit. And then we're set, and then I can go ahead and sell these at a farmer's market or whatever I wanted to do. But how cool is that? And we have a whole set of the caps and the heat shrink caps there, so then that looks like it's nice and sealed. And we are good to go. So that's everything you get here in this whole set. And it's really cool. So it's everything you need. Super cool. Thumbs up.